Hi guys, I'm Maura and I usually do these tiny crafts at my desk at work during lunch. Normally, I have to hide the fact that I'm doing these for my boss cuz like it is during lunch break, but apparently I'm taking up time and like distracting others. Now, because I'm quarantined, no one's here to catch me doing this. No one's here to put a timer on me. Hopefully, you'll get to see some of the ones I filmed in the office next week. But in the meantime, here is my first craft live from quarantine. Okay, so let's get started. This one I thought was cool. It's a bento box, but the stuff in it is like a little random. We're going to make broccoli, an egg roll, sausage, 2 rice balls, a normal, and a panda, fried chicken, spaghetti. Okay. We have our powders in our pouches. So we have our rice ball powder, spaghetti candy powder, sausage candy powder, and egg roll candy powder, broccoli powder, fried chicken powder, seaweed candy powder, one of the little cute forks, tiny little bag, and then this. So let's just get into it.
Get to it because you got 20 minutes.
Joan! Stop! What are you... How did you find me?
I'm still your boss, even if you're working from home.
Okay, so wait, how long do I have?
You got 20 minutes. If you don't do this in 20 minutes, you have to create an Instagram gallery of the last 5 photos in your phone. Most recent.
No, oh my god.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Because I'll be watching.
Oh my god. I don't even know how you found me here or got on my computer screen.
I know everything. Never forget it. Okay, get started.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. So we're making broccoli. We're gonna knock out broccoli real friggin' fast, guys. Ooh. Okay, so it appears to be turning blue in the thing. I need to now stir it. Oh my god, it's like already hardening. It's turning more of a true green now. Now, full triangle cup of water to section 2. This one. Add egg powder. And duh. Okay, so this is allegedly will become firm. 3, make sausage, aka it's a little squid. This is a squid. Maybe it's squid sausage. I'm putting 1 thing of water into the squid shape, aka into the sausage. And now I'm going to, red powder into the freaking thing. And all of them allegedly become firm in 3 minutes. Okay, I think I put too much water in that because now it's overflowing. No! The fork is just not the shape or size for this. Wish I had a full desk to do this on. Okay, so look, this is a squid. That's a squid. Okay, now we're doing rice ball. 2 cups to section 4. No! Guys, I spilled so much water. It's all on my butt. Oh my god, but I also can't stop because my computer's gonna die and I'm not posting up whatever Joan wanted me to post on Instagram. I'm adding this powder, the rice powder. I literally poured like half of this bottle of water onto my bed. We're stirring the rice. Oh god, this is becoming...
What are you even doing?
I'm freaking halfway through making a rice ball.
Doesn't look very good.
Oh my god.
Stop complaining and do the project.
I am.
All right, Maura, you have about 10 minutes left, so get to it.
Okay, so I made 2 rice balls. One's a triangle and one's a circle. Oh, this is gonna be cool. Okay, guys. So what I'm doing is onto this panda face, I'm adding black powder. Now, I am pressing the white one on, and look, it's a little panda! Okay, oh my god, actually that looks like shit. Very lopsided. He's cute though. He has character. I have to do the same thing, but I have to do it on this little thingy. It's like a shape of a triangle, but there's just like a band going through it. Ah! Okay, I mean that's like what it's supposed to be. Not as cool as the panda. Okay, fried chicken. Guys, my butt is wet. My foot's falling asleep. So now we are adding the fried chicken powder, number 4. We're gonna mix it, and then we're gonna divide it in half. It's turning a nice flesh color, a nice raw chicken, skinless chicken breast color. It really does look like ground turkey. Okay. Guys, no. Guys, no. Guys, I messed something up so bad. I just made the spaghetti powder as fried chicken. That's catastrophic. Basically, I f***ed up. I'm adding more water to the mixed spaghetti, which I thought was fried chicken because I didn't read the packet that I was opening, and they're both brown, so sue me. I think we're back on track. I thought I was making Joan, I don't have, please, just 1 second.
It's over. Are you done?
My 20-minute timer's not done. It hasn't gone off yet.
It's been over 20 minutes, so what timer are you using?
Just, the one in my heart.
All right, Maura, since you went over time, you're going to have to add 1 photo extra for each minute that you went over to this gallery that you're going to create, and there's no caption besides possibly, I'm sorry to my followers.
I spilled water everywhere. I'm just trying to illustrate, what I've been through for this.
Maura, you're dedicated. We'll give you that, but you're not timely.
Can I get back to this?
Get on it. Bye.
Bye. Oh my god. I totally would have finished if I didn't mess up the fried chicken. This is so infuriating. We're doing a pastry piping bag with the spaghetti. So that's in there. Last step, guys. I can't believe Joan. Pooping on the party. Ugh. What the? Very unclear what this scent or flavor is. An actual mystery. So we're putting it in. All the while, this panda is just looking sadder and sadder as time goes on. I waste my life. And this is 1 triangle cup. 4 cc's into the fried chicken. Okay, and this is definitely more of the color that it looks like on the box. Mix until thick, divide it in half. Okay. I don't know. What does that mean? Divide it in half and do what? So, I'm done. I'm basically done. Oh my god. Guys, I would have finished. Put in the comments, Maura would have finished. So now, I'm going to arrange it inside this bento box. One's like there. That's so sad. The fried chicken, you know what? Executive decision that this is just 1 piece of fried chicken. There's that. So now I just have to pop out. Wait. Oh, damn it. So I was supposed to make ears for this guy. Here's 1 ear. Okay, so the ears are just gonna lay next to it. That looks cute. Now it looks like Mickey. Really bootleg. Oh, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Ugh! This is the egg. It's so slimy. Ugh. That's that. Oh! Cute. Okay, guys. Last but not least. This is a squid! So... Oh, the spaghetti! There's that. This is it. Damn it. Okay, so I made too big of a hole. This is farfalle. This is not spaghetti. Alright. This is it. I hope it's worth having to post on Instagram. It's probably not gonna be worth it, just looking at everything. This one will not have been worth the punishment. But yeah. Bon appetit. Joan, look!
You did it!
What one would you eat?
I don't really know what they are.
What looks intriguing?
I like pineapples, so that yellow thing.
So the egg?
That's an egg?
Yeah. It's so slimy, dude. Ugh. Oh, yeah, I knew that.
All right, Maura, that looks really nice and so appetizing. But looking at the time, it looks like you're gonna have to post 10 pictures to your Insta gallery. Really looking forward to it. Tag me in your favorite pic.
We'll see. How
That was the
goes.
deal.
No, it will happen.
All right, Maura. Well, you have to post 10 pictures. Don't screw with the time. You're gonna have to text me the timestamp for everything. Get back to work, Maura.
I will.
Bye.
Bye. So, spaghetti looks pretty weird and texture insane. What the hell? Fried chicken. And now the sausage squid. Ugh, there's a lot of slime going on. Next time, we can see how this went in my room. Not well. I'll probably figure out a way to go outside and do this outside. Hopefully you'll get to see some of the ones I filmed in the office next week with someone special harassing me, my boss. But I do need to actually get back to work. I have a job, I promise. It seems like I don't. I actually got 3 emails during this, and one of them is urgent. So I actually need to go now. Bye.